What's going on, boaters? We're on a fresh new trade, a 2018 Chaparral 21 H2O Surf. This boat is really clean. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the back, you have your nice big sun pad. Coming into the boat, you are going to have a transom walk-through. Flip that seat up on either side. Close it off. You have a nice bench here in the back. You're going to have your blue LED lighting throughout the whole boat. Seagrass snap-in flooring, super easy to clean. You have your co-captain and captain's chair, both with bolsters. This boat only has 227 hours on it. Still has a lot of life left in it. In the center walk-through here, you're going to have lots of storage under the helm and co-captain helm. Keep your bags, towels in there. Keep them out of the way. Coming in the front, you have a nice spacious bow to sit in, enjoy the sun, and you're even going to have your bow storage locker for the anchor. Makes it super easy to get at. You're going to want to come check out this boat at MarineMax Nisswa or visit it on our website. Let's get you on the water this summer.